Hello everyone, my name is Amit and today we are going to study what are data types in Python. Basically, data type tells Python what kind of value a variable is storing. Knowing the data type helps Python decide what operations can be performed on that value. For example, your name is text, age is a whole number, height is a decimal number, login status can be true or false. So Python provide different types of data type to store each kind of information. So for example, the first type of data type can be integer. So integer stores a whole number without any decimal point. So example of this we can be age, name can be age equal to 28. So we can check the data type of this by printing the function type and giving the parameter age. So it is showing the class int. The second one is float. Float basically stores number that contains decimal point. We can check an example of this as height 176.6. Another example can be temperature. Okay, so it can be float can be used in height, weight, temperature, fuel price, stock price, basically everything that is in decimals. So the next one is string. String stores text. Anything which is enclosed in a quotes become a string. For example, name equal to Amit. We can also give like city equal to Mumbai. So basically anything which is stored inside a quotes is a string. So the next one is Boolean. Boolean can only store two values, that is true and false. A real-time example can be is payment successful or not. Payment underscore success equal to true. We can use this as a value. So the next one is a list. A list is basically stores multiple values in one variable. Lists are ordered mutable. Mutable means that is it can be changed. The values in the list can be changed. For example, we'll see shopping underscore cart is equal to brackets open laptop mouse keyboard. So the next one is a tuple. A tuple is also stores multiple values. Unlike a list, a tuple cannot be changed after it is created. Basically, list can be muted, tuples cannot be muted. So we can give the same example, but in a round bracket. Basically, round bracket are an indication that those are starting with tuple, and the list starts with square bracket. The next data type is set. Sets are basically just like list and tuple, but but it stores only a unique value. Whenever we give a set, it automatically removes the duplicate data. For example, if we again take the same example, shopping cart, so it starts with curly braces and ends with curly braces. So here I am giving another similar value like mouse, and whenever we try to call shopping cart, so it shows unique values. So the next example is a dictionary. Basically, a dictionary stores data as a key and value pair. For example, can be we can store an employee data. It also starts with the curly brackets, but we have to give key and value pairs. We need to differentiate the key and value using semicolon. Okay, so these were the 8 data types that we learned. So how to check a data type? There is a inbuilt function in Python which through which we can check the data type of any variable. So we'll just check the code type of employees, the dictionary. We'll just check what data type it is showing. It is showing dict, which is basically dictionary. So in this way, we can check the data types. Thank you.